this truck, we replaced the tailgate and the bed, which is why you can see that this part of it doesn't have any spray liner on it, nor does that panel. But the back of the bed and the right side panel do have liner. So what we're gonna do on this truck is actually spray the left side, the bed, and the tailgate, so that it gets that even look throughout the whole bed. Since we do have this truck here, we'll go ahead and do a small little review on it. So if you can see, once you open the door, these running boards pop out. You can see the interior package is all leathered out. Looks really nice. You sit inside, you get this big TV, which is awesome on these new models of the Ram. You see it's the limited package. Once again, all of their interior with custom interior. The back seats are real spacious. You get the full moonroof on top. You can see all that stuff looks really nice. And you get all these little features here. So if you can see, it has the open auto, tilt vent, open auto again, and then open the rear. This truck also comes with this awesome key fob that the older Rams didn't come with. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. So you can hear that 5.7, and my seat is actually adjusting on its own. So you can see here the cockpit is really awesome. Their features did a really good job. Looks like it needs gas. Control controls, you get the tire pressure, driver assist, and your fuel economy. Looks really cool on these trucks. And you get this big screen here. Look at that. You also get this shift knob. It's kind of like you turn it from right to left. Everything looks really nice. Volume button right here. Turn up, turn down and up. How hot or cold do you want this? It's a really, really nice truck. Really nice. Door panels look clean. Steering wheel's nice. Very beautiful.